BMW Motorrad has unveiled its latest concept motorcycle, the concept F450GS, aiming to bridge the gap between the smaller G310GS and the larger F800-900GS models. Designed with Europe's A2 motorcycle license class in mind, this dual-purpose motorcycle captures the essence of the GS family with features tailored for a balance of power and agility. At the heart of the concept F450GS is a new parallel twin engine, producing 48 horsepower, just within the limits allowed for A2 license holders. BMW describes the engine as having a unique ignition system, giving it a distinctive character and responsiveness that makes it exciting to ride. Built from scratch, the F450GS features fully adjustable front forks and a rear monoshock with load-dependent damping, enhancing rider comfort and control across varied terrains. These design choices keep the motorcycle lightweight, with a total weight close to the minimum requirement of 172 kilograms for its class. The concept F450GS comes equipped with BMW Motorrad's ABS Pro system, offering enhanced braking performance and safety, along with configurable riding modes. It also includes BMW's connectivity package, featuring a 6.5-inch TFT LCD screen that seamlessly connects to the rider's smartphone for GPS, calls, and notifications. Currently, the concept F450GS remains a prototype, but BMW Motorrad has announced plans to introduce a production model based on this concept by 2025. This release could position the F450GS as an exciting, versatile option for adventure riders looking for something between entry-level and high-powered adventure motorcycles. With its advanced features and accessible power, the concept F450GS looks like a promising addition to BMW's lineup, especially for riders seeking a lightweight and adaptable adventure bike.